Alright, first of all, before we even jump into the video, I got Ariana in the studio with me today. I'm a mom and I'm getting it done. There's no excuses. But you guys know the deal. I'm talking to you guys on a camera. She thinks I'm talking to her, so she's gonna think I'm talking to her, but in reality, you know, I'm talking to myself. So I'm gonna try to film this video today. I'm gonna try to film this talk through. We'll see what happens. I don't have any of the details in front of me right now because Ariana has my phone. So make sure you check out that description bar, okay? Because you need the details on this wig, okay? Number one. So the color on this wig is so freaking pretty. Like, I am in love with the blonde highlights on this wig. Like, it is so pretty, especially because this is like the perfect color for the summer time. And the simple fact that I don't have to do any type of coloring to this hair to get these beautiful blonde highlights, yes, I'm here for it. Now, as you guys saw at the beginning, the color is not really popping after you wash the hair or when you originally get the hair. But once you apply heat, baby, and you style this hair, God, this hair is so freaking beautiful. I do wish this hair was a little bit more thicker. I'm not quite sure what the density is, but it's definitely like maybe 120 to 130. Definitely nothing above like a 130. So if you are the type of person where you don't like super thick or super full hair, this definitely may be a wig that you may want to consider. Won't break the bank. So secondly, ooh, secondly, let's talk about this hairline, okay? Ooh, this hairline surprised the hell out of me. I was not expecting for this hairline to be laid the way it laid. I'm telling you, especially for a color wig. I'm not really sure if this is like a 5x5 closure or something like that. I don't really know, but I do know that like right up in here you get pretty much like a closure look. Okay, you get about 6 inches of parting space, but right here on the sides you get about 2 inches of parting space as well. Kind of puts me in the mind of a T-part lace wig, but without the T-part, just like the sides. So okay, because this wig is not disappointing at all. You definitely need this wig. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.